What's up, y'all? Just Zay here, back gonna pick up, and today we got a super duper special unboxing. Today we're starting the season off with a pair of shoes coming straight from the women's line. Today we're unboxing a pair of Nike Initiators, and the thing about this shoe that stands out to me is that I think this is probably gonna be the new mom and dad shoe. I say that because it's at a great price, it's not super duper hyped, and it's fairly functional. So without further ado, let's get into it. All right, so what exactly does $79.99 get you? You can see the suit that looks very similar to this. Now, if you go with this exact colorway, you're gonna be able to get this for $49.99 at the Shoe Depot. Now, this shoe right here, one major con and one major pro. One major con is gonna be, yes, this is labeled as an entry-level runner. However, you don't wanna run in these, man. Trust me, you don't wanna run in these. The tech has gotten so much better over the years. Pay a little extra if you want to get a shoe that you can run in. Now, the pro is you get a super duper futuristic look for a shoe that fits the current meta. As far as styling goes, for a fraction of the price. Like I say, even if you had to pay retail $79.99, you're still gonna be killing them with this. I got these for $49.99. And like I said, the current meta right now, as far as style goes, is get that young mom and dad shoe that's not quite mom and daddish, and that's what this is. This gives you a futuristic look. I don't know if it's the metallic or it's just the overlaying of so many different colors with the hint of boldness that makes this shoe stand out, but I definitely am feeling these. All right, so for a shoe that came out back in 2018, this shoe is slowly sustaining the test of time. The popularity started to pick up on these because these caught my eye. Now what you get is a white, which is in the center, and a little bit of the meshing. You're going to get the metallic silver, which is right here throughout the shoe, hence of the metallic. And then you're going to get what they call the mist blue, which took me a second to see it, but on camera looking through it, I can clearly see it. This is the mist blue right here. Look at the juxtaposition between the metallic silver right here. That lets you know clearly that's a metallic blue. And then you have what's called the cherry, which is right here. So this shoe has Nike branding right here, Nike branding right here, Nike branding right here, Nike brand right here, and on the back, Nike. And then right when you flip it over to the bottom, you're gonna see a waffle-like sole, inspiration of course, and then people ask you where you got these from. You just show them the back of your foot and you tell them www.nikerunning.com or Shoe Depot, because that's where I got these from. Now, who is this shoe for? This shoe is for the casual wearer. I would not train in these. These are runners, but I would not recommend you to train in these. This is something you're gonna wear on a date night, something you can wear to work, something super duper light for running errands. You do get a foam midsole, but please do not think it's gonna feel like Nike Zoom or Nike React or even Nike Air, the AirPods. But because it has such a decent amount of grade of netting on here, this shoe is very flexible and breathable. It's lightweight if you pair these to a basketball sneaker, like the foam posits, but honestly, man, this is a great shoe. I would definitely buy another pair in another colorway. This is a steal, man. $40. You guys gotta get stuff on these now. Oh, let me see what we got on the inside. So, let's see if you see it says women's running. These are women's. This is a size 12. Which would translate to a 10.5 in men's. So as far as me to slip these on with no hands, you can do so with no problem. And fitting wise, you can go your true size. I'm a 10, 10.5. I got plenty of space. These are a 12, which converts to a 10.5. From a 12 women's to a 10.5 men. And just a little bit of cushion in the heel. As far as taking these off with no hands, you could definitely do that. If you want to add a little bit extra cushion for a great price, get you one of these. This is definitely going to make this shoe a game changer. Put something like this in there. I think this was $3.99. I'm not sure the current price, but the link will be in the description below. And I definitely make this shoe right here feel a lot better than what it does. It doesn't feel that bad for the price, but putting this bad boy in there, game changer. Let's go, Shy. Let's go, Shy. Let's go, Shy. Let's go, Shy.
It was at this moment that she knew. She f***ed up.
Got you.